Hi everyone, welcome to today's challenge. Let's read the question together, okay? In four corners of a rectangle with dimensions 15 cm times 9 cm, four squares each with a perimeter equal to 8 cm were cut out. What is the perimeter of the polygon created this way? Let's draw the picture before we start doing the math, okay? So this is the rectangle in this question. The length is 15 cm and the width is 9 cm. Let's choose this corner to cut the squares out. So the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. Let's assume that they are squares. So the polygon is actually this, right? Let's try some simple transformation. Let's move this edge to here and move this side over here. And we can find that after cutting the squares from the corners, the perimeter of the new shape is actually the same as that of the previous one. So let's calculate the perimeter of the rectangle, okay? So as we learned before, perimeter equals to 2 times length plus 2 times width, which is 2 times 15 plus 2 times 9, which is 30 plus 18, which is 48. So A is the answer. Okay, next question. Using 6 matches, only one rectangle with a perimeter of 6 matches can be made. How many different rectangles with a perimeter of 14 matches can be made using 14 matches? For 6 matches, we can see that we use 1 match as the width and 2 matches as the length. That's because, as we've learned before, P, which is perimeter, equals to 2 times length plus width. And for 6 matches, we can get length plus width equals to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. To find different rectangles, we need to find different length and width. Before we get started, we need to keep in mind that length is always bigger or equal to width. So for 6 matches, we can only get length equals to 2 and width equals to 1, which is this. And for 14 matches, we can get length plus width equals to 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And to find different width and length, we can find if width is 1, then the length is 6. If the width is 2, then it's 5. If it's 3, then it's 4. If it's 4, it's 3. But 4 is bigger than 3. And it doesn't meet the requirement like this, so this one is wrong. So we got 1, 2, 3, 3 ways, which means 3 different rectangles. So B is the answer. The last question. A picture frame was constructed using pieces of wood which all have the same width. What is the width of the frame if the inside perimeter of the frame is 8 decimeters less than its outside perimeter? For this question, we can get that the inside perimeter of the frame is actually the perimeter for this rectangle, right? And the outside perimeter is actually for this large rectangle, right? So let's do some simple transformation. Let's move this length to here and move this width to here. Let's move the rest here and here. We can get that the difference between these two are actually this, this, and this. One more transformation. We can move this to here. We get a small square, which side is actually the width. And same for this one. So we can get that the difference between the inside perimeter and the outside perimeter is equal to the perimeters of the two small squares. So we can get the perimeter of one small square is actually 8 divided by 2, which is 4 decimeters. And for this little small square, the side is width. So width equals to 4 divided by 4, which is 1 decimeters. So A is the answer.